My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me?
Why are you like this? Hi.
I like spicy.
She wanted this and this is sauce tomato pasta. She was like, Samyang is supposed to be spicy. Come back here. How dare you?
Everyone is watching but I still feel so alone, alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today, I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by ruining my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Everyone's invited to this pity party in my head, my head, my head. And I'll cry if I want to, and I want to, but nobody's listening. So I'll just hide away instead, instead, instead.
My friends on the internet talk to me more than my real ones do. I never seem to be good enough for him or her or even you. They say it'll always get better, but I had no one to help me through. At the end, always a congratulations, but nowhere when I needed you. Call you a penny in the freezer, 'cause you're two-faced and stone cold. I'm sick of wasting all my time worried about you, it's getting old. I'm done with all these fake friends, I don't have time to pretend that you care about me when you don't. You treat me like I'm less than, so tell all of your new friends how I am the worst, put on a show. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. I've been thinking about our first date. You were texting me saying you were running 15 late.
How do you know when something a brand has taken over our market? You look at the shelf, Maggi, 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 all the way.
Capitalizing the waste production.